Getting started with your Minelab Vanquish metal detector. In this video, I'm going to help you get started. I'm going to start with the power button. This button has a dual purpose. All three Vanquish models with a short press will power on or off your metal detector, but a long 7-second press will restore the Vanquish back to the factory settings. Next is the volume adjust button. This button allows you to increase or decrease your audio volume. This controls how loud you hear the target as your coil passes over it. On the 540, it also controls your iron audio. Using the volume adjust in conjunction with your all metal mode button, you can increase or decrease how loud you hear your iron targets, without affecting how loud you hear your non-ferrous targets. This is your sensitivity button. It controls the depth and amplification of your targets. This is why it's always best to keep it as high, but as stable as possible. The search mode button is the button that you will be using to toggle throughout your search modes. On the 440 and the 540 models, a long 5-second press will allow you to save your current settings to your custom search mode. The discrimination pattern edit button. It's used to navigate to the individual target segments. Using the accept reject button, we'll select that segment to either remove it or add it. The all metal button. This is found on the 440 and the 540. On the 340, you will find your all metal mode in the same area as your coin and jewelry modes. The all metal mode button on the 440 and 540 is a quick shortcut button. This can be used with all your other modes. With a quick press, you will now be able to hear all metal targets. A long press will bring the 540 into a low iron bias, or another long press will bring you back to your high iron bias. The pinpoint mode button is what activates your pinpoint mode. This is used to locate the exact position of your target. The 540 has two additional buttons. One is to turn on your backlight, and the other one is used to connect to your wireless headphones. In my next video, we'll be going a little more in depth into the settings, so please subscribe not to miss out on the next one. See you soon.